What is going on, guys? Today we're here with a good friend, Chris from Eastman. Eastman is the distributor and provider of our SunTek paint protection film and window tinting that we put on. We've met with Chris before. He's been to our Duluth store. Today we're in our Athens store. Thanks for being here, Chris.
You're very welcome.
So today Chris is here because we've got two of our technicians that have gone through paint protection film advanced training with Chris down in Florida for 3 weeks of advanced training. Talk us through what that is. What's that go through?
So we bring you right through from the very beginning all the way to being able to do a full front end within 3 weeks. So we're here doing an evaluation so we can give them an actual certification and not a certificate.
Yeah, so these are technicians that have been working with us for quite a while doing paint protection film, and we have a saying here in Athens that better never rest. And what that basically means is it doesn't matter how good you are at something, you can always be a little better. You can always be a little more efficient, you can use a little less waste, you can have less comebacks or mistakes or issues. And we want to be always doing that for all the services we do, for dent repair, window tint, ceramic coating, but for paint protection film, it's extremely useful because we use so much material. These processes take a long time. So the goal of this is both quality, but it's also efficiency, right?
Efficiency, yes.
Which
very much so.
We found that our techs already had a high quality, and we wanted to learn to be a little bit more efficient, honestly, just so that we could have really competitive pricing and have our clients be respectful of the time that we have their vehicle. So our techs have gone through 3 weeks of training, they've come back, worked on some of these skills, and now Chris is here to do the full evaluation. And you have any fears? Are the guys doing well so far? Everything's looking good?
Not at all. They could have done this evaluation right out of the class. Awesome. They were very coachable, and anytime you get somebody that's coachable, they go right through the class really easy.
And that, like I said, that's the mindset that we want to have as a company. If you've ever used us for any service, we want you to have a fantastic experience, but we want the next time you come in to say, wow, they were great last time, they're even better this time, right? We want to be better communicators, all the things we want to be doing, we want to be better as we grow as a company. And we appreciate every client that comes in and uses us for multiple services, and hopefully you guys all see that. Every time you see us, you see we're a little bit more improved than the last time. So thanks so much for watching, thanks for checking it out. I'm going to get back to my work and let Chris get back to evaluating these guys. If you have any questions about paint protection film or ceramic or any of the other services we offer, feel free to give us a call. Thanks so much for watching, guys.